Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming compatibility and permissions so voice access can work reliably. Open Settings and go straight to Accessibility. This is where the feature lives. Turn on voice access and grant microphone, overlay, and any prompt permissions. These let the system listen and show on-screen controls. Once done, allow background usage so commands still register when the screen is locked or apps run. You're now ready to move into configuring commands and training the assistant for your voice. Next, you personalize how voice access responds, which improves speed and accuracy. In Settings, set your preferred language and, if available, change the wake word or shortcut so it does not trigger accidentally. Train the voice model by reading the prompts. This reduces misrecognition and adapts to your accent. Then map useful actions, open app, tap, scroll, or create custom phrases for frequent tasks such as messaging a contact. Make sure to test commands immediately to validate behavior and refine sensitivity. Finally, use voice access in real tasks and observe where it stumbles so you can refine settings. Start with basic navigation, say Open plus app name, or use numbered tap targets visible on screen. For typing, dictate punctuation clearly and verify before sending. If performance drops, check battery optimization and background permissions. Restricting these breaks listening. If recognition still fails, restart voice access, reboot the phone, and repeat the training sequence. That usually resets caches and fixes persistent errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.